Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. SemHash is used for fast semantic text deduplication. In this video, we are going to install it locally and then we will see how it works. First, let's have a quick look as why exactly this is needed. The thing is that data leakage and deduplication are really crucial when training and fine-tuning large language models. SemHash is a really fast semantic text deduplication library that combines model to vec embeddings with ANN based similarity search through vicinity. It makes it possible to deduplicate or remove the duplicates from millions of records in minutes. So if you are dealing with cleaning up data sets or making sure that your data sets are of really good quality, then you could use this SemHash. For example, it deduplicates 1.8 million wiki text records in just 83 seconds on CPU, and that has been shared on their GitHub repo, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. It uses semantic similarity instead of exact matching, which also catches near duplicates, and that really increases the quality of the tool. It has got a simple Python API and minimal dependencies. It also supports custom encoders, including sentence transformer, and there are a lot of other things which you can do with it, including benchmarking on popular data sets. So let's get it installed and then we will see how it works. Before I show you the installation, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, AgentBot, that lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support. Let me take you to my terminal where I'm running this Ubuntu system. Let's first create a virtual environment. And now let's install the SemHash, as you can see on the second line with datasets, plus I'm installing all of these prerequisites. Now let me launch my Jupyter notebook and then we will play around with this. Now in order to run this SemHash, all you need to do is to provide your dataset after importing these libraries. You can use any other dataset if you like. So all we are doing here, we are loading this data set in the split of train and text in the split, just train split, and we are selecting this column, and then we are instantiating this SemHash with these records, and this is the line which is deduplicating this data set. And as soon as I have run it, it is just loading its very small model, which is a 30 meg, and it is working on it. And it was fairly quick and it has already deduplicated the whole data set. You can also check it out by just running few of the stuff here and you won't find any duplication here. So pretty cool. Now, not only you can do that, but you can also deduplicate across two data sets where you primarily eliminate train test leakage. Let me quickly show you the code. So for instance, if you want to run something like this with on two data sets with train and test split, something like this, you can simply run it in the same way and it is going to work like a charm. And that was also fairly quick to complete. So if I just quickly show you the sample, there you go. So no deduplicates from across the split. Really good stuff. Another cool feature of this tool is that you can also deduplicate multi-column data sets. For example, if you look at this code, this is where we are deduplicating this multi-column data set, and you can use any QA dataset or any dataset of your choice. And in this code, the deduplicate and self deduplicate functions, they are returning a deduplication result. And the object is storing the deduplicated corpus, which is a set of duplicate objects, along with the object that caused duplication. And there are a lot of other several functions which you can check it in their documents in their GitHub repo, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description, and all of it is running on CPU. Okay, so let me run this. There you go, it is loading that small model. all running on CPU. And while this runs, let me also give a huge shout out to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM. If you're looking to rent a VM or GPU or CPU based VM on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. Okay, let's go back to the Jupyter notebook. And that was also quickly done. Let's run it. It is going to likely show us the JSON format. There you go. How good is that? With all the data set in a proper format without any duplicates. So you can see, in order to improve the quality of your data set, this library could be a game changer. There are a lot of other use cases which spring to mind. For example, you can easily inspect the duplicates with it. You can also easily check what caused the deduplication or duplication, of course. And then you can also view the lowest similarity duplicates to find the right threshold for deduplication for your data set quite easily by using the same tool. Seems to be a quite flexible tool, as it can be used to deduplicate a single data set or across two data sets where you are merging them. And then it can also be used to deduplicate multi-column data sets, as we just saw. And other than that, you can also use other custom encoders if you want, but I would really stick with what they have provided out of the box because seems quite optimized to me. So I will drop the link to it in video's description. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.